Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Nigeria Labour Congress President, Joe Ajaero, has been summoned by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner of Police Intelligence Response Team, IRT, over allegations of criminal conspiracy, terrorism financing, treasonable felony, subversion, and cybercrime. The invitation, detailed in an official letter, requires Ajaero to appear for an interview on Tuesday, 28 August 2024, at the IRT complex in Guzape District, Abuja. According to the letter, the investigation has identified Ajaero as a person of interest in the case. Part of the letter reads, "You are therefore invited to interview the undersigned on Tuesday, 28 August 2024, by 10 hours prompt," the letter stated. The letter further warned that failure to comply could lead to a warrant for Ajaero's arrest. The letter reads, "Be informed that in the event of failing to honor this letter, this office will have no alternative than to activate a warrant of arrest against you." The letter was signed by ACP Enadamu S. Muazu on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, IRT. Now recall that armed security men suspected to be from the DSS recently invaded the Labour House, but the DSS denied this. The DSS denied that they did the invasion, but some say it was the police. The NLC say it was the police. Some say it's DSS, but the office of the Nigerian Labour Congress, the Labour House, was recently raided by security agents, where they allegedly removed several materials that were alleged to be insightful materials that allegedly supports the last protest that was done by some young Nigerians on end bad governance in the country. And of course, you and I know that Nigerian Labour Congress gave support to the protests because Nigerians have right to protest, but NLC was very particular in saying that they support peaceful protests. I didn't see anywhere where NLC supported violent protests. Eventually the protests turned violent in many parts of northern Nigeria. But some of the policies of this government, NLC blames it for the present economic crisis in the country. It blames it on the policies of the government. Okay, so there was no doubt that he supported the protest. And also recall that this protest, the government is alleging that those that organized this the protest, that they wanted to overthrow the government. That was why you had people like Dele Aleke, the Minister of Solid Minerals, saying that those who want to change the government, they had to wait. They better wait until 2027 to vote whoever they want. In other words, there is this mentality that people were subversive element want to use the protests for a forceful change of government, even though they are yet to provide any proof on that. Even at the last Council of State meeting, it was also re-echoed that some people want to overthrow the government through that protest. And of course, that was given a life of its own because some people were also protesting with the Russian flag, indicating that there are some foreign interests who wanted to take advantage of that protest to cause crisis or regime change in Nigeria, allegedly. So now that brings to question, what's the involvement of Joe Ajaero to all this? Terrorism financing, cybercrime, treasonable felony. These are weighty allegations that governments of the day always use against those they want to put away from circulation. Treasonable felony, terrorism financing, cybercrime. All these are weighty allegations against the leader of the labor union in Nigeria. So there's little much we can say about this except to wait and listen to what the government has to say about this. Perhaps when Ajaero answer the call and go to the police, his lawyers will be able to tell us more of his alleged involvement in treasonable felony, cybercrime, subversive activity, and all that, and terrorism financing. That will now give us a better picture because we don't know what they are using, the evidence they have. But already, if you go to cyberspace and everything, people are looking at this as all part of the muzzling of the opposition and the labor at this time. Who knows? But the details will eventually come out when Joe Ajaero visit them. And I'm sure Joe Ajaero is a law-abiding citizen. He's going to be there. He will be with his lawyers and he will answer the things. And even if they detain him, his lawyers can still tell us what this is all about. But if you know what you think it's all about, you can also give us your comment on the commentary box. But these are weighty allegations. But it is not new. Treasonable felony has always been used by governments in power to put away their political enemies. Even Chief Obafemi Awolowo, it was treasonable felony that they used in putting him behind bars. It is not new in Nigeria. It is not new. They say men repeat history. Or that history repeats itself, but it is men that repeats history. So leaders of Nigeria have this tendency of always coming up with treasonable felony. It is very common to use it against people and build something around it. But we may never know until the lawyers of Joe Ajaero tells us what they are, this is all about. Or the police itself talk to Nigerian people, because they need to talk to Nigerian people. Joe Ajaero is not a small person. He is the leader of all the workers who are registered union members in Nigeria. It's not a small position. If the leader of workers in Nigeria is involved in terrorism financing, it's a big deal. Nigerians would like to know his level of involvement. Which of the terrorist groups is he backing? Is it backing which of the terrorist groups in Nigeria? Is it ISWAP? Is it Boko Haram? Which of the terrorists were the bandits? Which of them is his financing? Nigerians are waiting to hear what is going on. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And I have books on my screen. These are my books. If you type my name inside Google, if you type the title of the book and my name as the author, it will take you straight to Amazon platform. And Amazon is world's #1 in print on demand. You can get these books in ebook format, paperback, and hardcover. They are all available in every format that you need it. And Amazon, as I said, is world's #1 on this issue of on matters of print on demand. It is #1 in the world. They will bring it to your doorstep. They ship it all over the world. No part of the world that Amazon does not reach. No address they cannot locate. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.